Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome back with this episode of Canadian Silver Surfer and the price of silver and gold skyrocketing. Today's gold price in America is asking price 31.58, closing time Friday night. Bidding price is 31.48, asking price is 31.58. In Canadian dollars, that's 42.85 bid and 42.99 asking price. I had to make this video and highlight these events. So here's an article I want to read to you from Kitco tonight. Kitco News. Silver price makes a move above $30. Analysts say it's just getting started. Kitco News. After a relatively slow start in the first quarter, silver is making its move, significantly outpacing gold as it trades at an 11-year high. Just ahead of the weekend, silver prices have broken above $30 an ounce. July silver futures last traded at $30.74 an ounce, up nearly 3% on the day. By comparison, gold is trading at $2,406.20, up 0.88% on the day. Soaring silver prices have pushed the gold-silver ratio between 80 points and has been trading at its lowest level since August. According to some analysts, silver is just getting started as the precious metal has solid momentum. Silver does not look overheated as it is only not entering overbought territory on the RSI on the daily time frame, said Alex Kuptivich, FX Pro Senior Market Analyst, in a note on Friday. Last month, silver was actively added for another 3 weeks after the RSI entered levels above 70. A 2-week pullback in the second half of April later removed that overbought area. Technically, this clears the way up. Kuptilvik added that his near-term target for silver is $33 an ounce. However, he added that the precious metals can make a serious move in its all-time high of $50. Low-term trends are also on the bull side. In the last 2 years, they have been able to quickly turn the price to the upside after dips under the 200-week moving average. This year, the price is successfully pulling away from that line, but the most furious part of the rally may be ahead. He said silver could be ready to repeat the growth spurt it showed in 2010-2011. In a recent interview with Kitco News, Michelle Schneider, Director of Trading Education and Research at Market Gauge, said that silver's value plays make it more attractive than gold. She added that silver tends to outperform in a higher inflationary environment. Although April's core consumer price index, which strips out volatile food and energy prices, saw its first decline in 6 months, Schneider said it remains elevated at 3.6%. While some economists have celebrated the drop in consumer price pressures, Schneider said they are still looking at inflation in all the wrong places. She explained that the rising geopolitical uncertainty and renewed pressure to onshore manufacturing in the U.S. will drive prices higher and weaken the U.S. dollar. The move in silver is telling us that we have fractures in the economy, but we don't know how these fractures are going to be manifest. She said, it's going to lead to a debt crisis. Is this Fed going to lower rates? Either way, we should expect to see higher inflation. Schneider said that $30 level represents an important resistance point for silver. If silver is going to hold 29 and get to 30, I don't see any reason why we can't get to 35 and eventually 40, she said. However, not all analysts are convinced that silver is thriving as a monetary metal. In a comment to Kitco News, Julia Kandoshiko, CEO of the European broker Mind Money, said that she sees this move in silver as a reflection of the broader bullish momentum in commodity markets. Silver's rally comes as copper prices have pushed to an all-time high above $5 per pound. Here's some copper right here, ladies and gentlemen. Here's a Geiger 10-ounce copper bar. Today, all metals, including silver, are going for a simple reason. Cautious sentiment on global economic growth, said Kandoshko. If we look at all commodities charts, we can see they have a cyclical price trend. Where there is an economic downturn, they are cheap. When the economy is recovering, they rise in price. Kandoshko added that she prefers gold over silver as a monetary and safe haven hedge. Olin Hansen, head of commodity strategy at Saxo Bank, noted that the breakout could lead to substantially higher prices. He added that platinum prices are also making a move. Finally, we have a rally firing on all cylinders, he said. The gold-silver ratio is not a million miles from its long-term average. So silver strength can mean general precious metals strength. You hear that, ladies and gentlemen? Silver, gold, platinum on its way up. You heard it here, this Canadian silver surfer saying, be kind to somebody. Show kindness to a stranger. Do what's right even when no one is looking. God is taking notes, ladies and gentlemen. Stand for Israel. Pray for Bibi. Pray for Trump. This Canadian silver surfer saying, look out.